Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from HowLogical. In today's video, we will be showing you how to activate and register your Vanilla Visa gift card. You can buy Vanilla Visa gift cards either digitally or by buying the physical card. In either case, you will be provided with the essential codes in order to register and use the amount within the gift card. So first of all, open up your web browser. Then in the address bar, type in vanillagift.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website of Vanilla Visa gift cards. Click on the Sign In button. Now go ahead and enter your email address followed by your password. Then click on the Sign In button to sign in to your account. In order to register your account, click on Check Balance. Now you will be asked to enter your card number. Go ahead and enter your 16-digit card number and then enter your expiration date. Then enter your 3-digit CVV number and then click on the Sign In button. From the account history page, click on Register Your Card and then you will be asked to enter your security number at the back side of your card. After entering this code and clicking on the Next button, your Vanilla Visa gift card will be activated and registered. If you still cannot register your gift card, go ahead and dial the toll-free number given at the back side of your card, and you will be able to activate your gift card. So that's how easy it is to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you will always be reminded whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.